In this video, we're going to learn how to use Bootstrap to create Jumbotrons. Jumbotrons are used to call extra attention to some featured information or content in your website. So let's create a Jumbotron just like this one. Okay. So first of all, we're going to create a div, and we need to give it a class of Jumbotron. Okay, and then we can place all these elements inside our div. Okay, so we're going to have a header, a paragraph, and then another paragraph with a link or button. Okay, so let's start with a header. Welcome to our best-selling app. Okay, and then we can have a paragraph. Our app will make your life easier. Okay, and then let's have a another paragraph, and let's have a link inside the paragraph. Okay, so we want the link to have a class of button, and then button success. Okay, and let's put some text inside the link, find out more. Okay, let's make the button bigger using the button large class, and let's add an href just like that. Okay, that looks really good. All right. Sometimes you may want the Jumbotron to take the full width of the viewport. So in that case, rather than placing the Jumbotron inside the container, we'll place it outside the container, and then we're going to place the content of the Jumbotron inside a container. Okay. So our container is going to be of class container or container fluid, if you want to.